These are the 3 weirdest bird sounds in the world, and the last one will give you chills. No one, Lyrebird, the only bird that can mimic cameras, chainsaws, car alarms, even a human cough. Number 2. Screaming Piha. From the Amazon rainforest, this tiny bird screams like a siren, 116 decibels, enough to give you a headache. Before we continue, if you love animals, like this video and subscribe to the channel. No. 3. Loon bird. Its eerie call echoes over the lake like a message from another world. High-pitched, haunting, and intense, like a ghost whale singing in the dead of night.